friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the first week of March. We'll start with sign Aries. Okay friends, we are going to remove 4 cards today. Reading for Aries. One more time. A very good vibrations, vibrations of hermit. So I'm really happy. Somebody's going to have some mentor, some guidance. Thank you. First we'll remove all the cards and then we'll see what the cards gives the message to us. For Aries. First week of March. Thank you. Aries, thank you so much. Next is Monology card. A beautiful card. Recently we had seen the new moon in Virgo, isn't it? One card for Aries. Thank you. We'll remove one card from Keeper's deck also. Very beautiful card, you see, very light and so nice. As soon as it comes into hand, we feel so happy. For Aries, first week of March. Thank you. Now, let us open the cards, okay? Oh, the 4 of Swords. The first is 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords, I feel that you have done enough of your work. Now it is time to take a little vacation, a little rest, little pause. And 3 swords, actually they are protecting you. Very beautiful card. I told you mentor, I saw the Hermit card. So these 3 swords are protecting you. You are just taking rest because you have done enough of your work, Aries, during month of February. So maybe, now you are exhausted and you just want to relax. So it is time to pause, to be cool, calm and evaluate whatever you have done in the month of February. Second card. Let me please. It is Queen of Swords. See friends, Queen of Swords. Here also I feel that you have done a lot of work. And now you're resting and you're waiting for a new things or new opportunity which you are to handle. A very beautiful card, I feel, Queen of Swords. The Queen, see the posture, that means elegance. So, whosoever Aries, they are very elegant, I feel. They are very elegant. Yeah, and very thoughtful also. She's thinking, the way she's thinking. Very thoughtful. And you have done enough. But then also you are waiting for the new opportunity. You are just looking for the things which is on the way for you. As you know, after the Queen comes King. That is the last, So here you are waiting for the new opportunities. That's what I said. You are resting. Same with the 4 of Swords also we see. You are resting. You are also Queen of Swords. If you just see the cards properly, she's resting. Just see. Very beautifully, elegantly. Very good card. Let's see what the Monology card tells you. Full Moon in Leo. The message is, don't let pride get in your way. I told you, the way she is, the lady sitting is very elegant. A little bit, it reflects even little bit proud ego. And here the same message comes: don't let pride get in your way, because you are going to have a beautiful opportunity. You see, opportunities are coming in your way, but to grab the opportunities, be humble. Sometimes just due to pride, we lose the great opportunities in our life. Now let's see what the keeper's deck says. Court house. See, when this card comes, court house, it doesn't mean that if you are going through any legal matters, it's going to be solved this week. You're waiting from a long time. Since long time, you are waiting for some judgment, legal judgment. And even I feel that you may get some legal documents, because you're going to purchase something or some deal you're doing. So the person is holding in his hand all the documents. So maybe the people who are going through some court matters, some court matters definitely will have the good results. Or maybe some of you may buy some property or business deal or something, and they will have the documents. Please read the documents carefully. Don't overestimate the things. Don't have overconfidence. So beautiful Aries, I feel you have done enough in February, but then also many opportunities are coming in your way. Just grab the opportunities. But while making dealings, take care of the documents, read the documents properly, go through the documents properly, and then sign the things. Let us see what are the general messages for you, friends. General messages for Aries for the first week of March. Thank you. Okay. What is the first message? Let us see the first message, right? Success. I told you, success. You are going to be successful, okay? But only thing, be careful about documents. Be careful about the ego. Pride doesn't, make the things worst. Focus on your health, because maybe you are doing too much of the work and that makes you exhausted. I told you, you have to take rest. See, in the Four of Swords, we went through the same thing, that you have taken enough of the activities during month of Feb. So this is a time to rest. Take little pause, take little vacation. Not a very big, but a small vacation. Though Corona period is there, you can just have a little vacation. Letter J, maybe somebody with the letter J is helping you. Dreams, okay. So definitely you are dreaming and those dreams will come true. So nice, Aries. Oh, letter S, very good. As you know, friends, my name is also Surika. Starts from letter S. It's just a fun, okay. Letter F. So somebody from letter F, S, is helping you a lot, friends. Great. The situations may not be in your favor. Here I feel that this is a warning, that many opportunities are there. That doesn't mean that everything you will have to grab. Judge the things and then grab it. Again, letter S. Nice. Okay, let us see. 28. Maybe the date 28 is going to be very important for you, or maybe number 28, you are connected. Okay. Bronze. Bronze is the color which you should use during the first week of March. Okay, friends. Sorry. There was something troubling me. Let us see what are the long messages for you, friends. Sorry. Long messages for Aries for the first week of March. Okay. The first message. Will you be mine? Wow. Somebody is just waiting for you. I think that you're also waiting for someone to come in your life. So, and you are thinking, will you be mine? Very great. or somebody is also thinking the same way for you, friend. Okay, friends and family help. When we are going through a very period where we are exhausted, we need somebody to relax us. Only family members are there who can do this miracle. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. So beautiful. See the love message. The path is clear, friends. You can just go ahead, and maybe your family members and friends also will help you for your love. So it's a very beautiful card, friends, for your career also, and for your love life also. Thank you.